Weather forecast. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Natasha. Yeah, it is a cool and comfortable day, much like yesterday, although we are seeing a few more clouds out there right now as we kind of widen out. You can see out the windows behind us here, we are seeing a little bit more cloud cover than what we saw this morning when we had that bright blue sky. And it's really just thanks to the cool air in the upper atmosphere. And we are feeling that cool air as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at temperatures across our map right now. And you can see it is comfortable this morning. It actually felt kind of chilly out there on the sky deck when I was out this morning. Flying around the region, you can see Wilmington, Delaware sitting at 67. In Philadelphia, it's just 68 degrees right now. Not too bad. Up in Allentown, 62. In Reading, 63 degrees. So a comfy start to the day, and it is going to stay below average temperature-wise all day long. You can see the clouds have really kind of started to build in here. As we take a live look at the Ocean City Boardwalk, you can see the clouds billowing in. It was a cloudy start, then blue sky. Now just a few more clouds, and what to expect for the rest of today. Clouds and breaks of blue sky. I think we'll actually likely see more blue sky as the afternoon progresses, but a few spotty shower chances here and there, especially toward the shore as a sea breeze boundary works its way inland. And it's a cool and comfy afternoon. Nice for sitting outside. Not the brightest sunny day we've ever seen. You can see the clouds out there right now. And as we take a look at visible satellite, you can see where clouds are kind of most numerous, moving in from the west and just proliferating a little bit as we head into the afternoon. So sunshine through the clouds on and off today. That'll keep temperatures a little on the cool side at 75 degrees for the high today, and precipitation chances few and far between. But if we do pick up a shower, best chance late afternoon into the evening. Coming up, I'll tell you about the heat that is on its way for the end of the week and even more for next week. For now, Natasha, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.
Enjoy this cool, comfortable weather while we have it, because we're going to have a warm up later this week. We're heading to the 90s for a couple of days. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's not as hot as it looked like it might be, and it's only 2 days. But this is a little bit of a preview. I think it's next week that the heat is really going to take over. So let's take a look at the good stuff first. Outside today, it is clouding up a little. I want to take you down the shore. We'll start off with a live look at Margate. This is our camera at the Margate Pier here, and you can see the blue sky is now being pushed by the wayside as clouds start to filter back in. We had some showers overnight and into the early morning hours down the shore. Those cleared out, but now the clouds are bubbling up again. A sea breeze will likely then push the clouds back inland as we go into the afternoon, and that sea breeze boundary could produce some scattered showers. You can see out the windows here, we do have some breaks of blue through the clouds. It's not the sunniest day we've ever seen. And it is on the cool side, much like yesterday. Yesterday, we got to a high of only 77, the first below average day here in the month of June. And today looks like it's going to be another cooler than average day. We'll start off with a live look at Cape May, and temperatures down there in the upper 60s right now. That's where we are in Millville. It's only 65. Millville dropped to the low 50s this morning. Dover right now sitting at 68. Walking back up toward the city of Philadelphia, it's a little bit warmer, 68 degrees in Philadelphia. At this time yesterday, we were already in the 70s. So running a couple of degrees below where we were at this time yesterday, and Wilmington at 67, Allentown, Reading, both only in the low 60s here this morning. So after a cool start, now that the clouds have moved in, it's going to take a little while before we start to see these temperatures rebound even into the 70s. So temperatures should be in the low 80s this time of the year. We will stay below that today. Take a look at the clouds moving in, and they're not going to be around all day. I think we will see the clouds kind of scatter out as we get into the afternoon, but starting to build once again. There's that morning batch of showers that impacted Delaware and the shore points. That is now clearing. Breaks of sun still around through the day, but more clouds than sunshine, at least for now, and that'll keep temperatures pretty limited, just 75 degrees today. A stray shower chance late this afternoon and evening. Here's what that looks like on the timing. You can see a sprinkle is possible around noon. Best chance, though, is actually right here, 2:30, 3, 4 o'clock, and it's mainly over interior South Jersey and Delaware. The reason for that, you can look at the sea breeze. Sea breeze comes inland, creates enough uplift. It's almost like a mini cold front, and we do see a couple of showers, maybe even a rumble this afternoon down the shore. But this evening, the sun is shining, and hey, it's not too bad later this afternoon and evening in the city. Tomorrow is a full day of sunshine, and it looks like Thursday will be bright and sunny as well as we start to kick off phase 1 of what looks to be a 2-phase warming trend into into next week. So dry until a front comes through Friday afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy, comfortable. We're down to 59 degrees. Tomorrow, we warm back to the 80s. And look at the trend over the next 10 days. We're right into the 90s Thursday and Friday. Front comes through late Friday, so this is kind of preview heat. Then it's a lot nicer for the weekend. Great weather for Father's Day Sunday. But by next week, that's when the heat really builds. We're talking mid-90s likely Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The Climate Prediction Center has put really the entire eastern half of the country in this well below average range as the heat dome that's been sitting over the southwest shifts further to the east. So let's take a look at your next weather 7-day forecast. And again, we've got a lot of sunshine every day, not much in the way of precipitation. Thunderstorm chance later Friday, but other than that, we've got sun through the end of the week. And then as we get into next week, that's when, well, over the weekend, we cool down a little bit. Next week, we start to see the heat build again, approaching 90 by Monday, but it's really next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday that you're going to feel the core of the heat. So best chance for rain Friday afternoon. It's not a total washout though. It's going to get hot. Best place to go, down the shore to beat the heat with temperatures near 80 both Thursday and Friday. Natasha, I'll send it back to you.
All right, that's the best place to be. Thank you very much, Kate.